Hello everyone, my name is Brady, and today we're going to be unboxing this 2019 MacPro rack. We also have the rails that go along with this. We'll take a look at those as well. This is the first rack system from Apple since the Xserve, so it's been quite some time. One of the first things I notice about this is, if you've seen our previous MacPro unboxing video, is the box is very similar to the other MacPro. Same Velcro straps and everything. But enough of the packaging, I'm more excited to see what's on the inside. So let's clear this off and take a look. All right, again, Apple included these wonderful Velcro straps. Make it easy opening this up. Remind me of my sweet neon wallet from the 90s. Get over here, get this one undone. And then take off the top. Set that aside. All right, now to pull this out, I'm gonna ask for a little assistance since it is quite heavy. Thank you. All right, and here we go. Let's go ahead and take all this off and get it open. These side cardboard pieces actually clip on the little mounts here for the rails. Pretty neat little setup. Kind of interesting way you got to twist them to get them off though. All right, now we got all this fabric and plastic on top, just like the previous MacPro. So let's go ahead and remove all this. And there we go, all the plastic off. Now look at this thing. This thing looks phenomenal, just like the other 2019 Mac Pro. Beautiful finish. You got the same grille on the front, this very, very beautiful design here. In the back though, it's actually very much similar to the previous generation Mac Pro towers, this nice circular vent finish. All right, so now let's take a closer look at the front here. Of course, again, you see the beautiful machine finish of the front. You got two Thunderbolt 3 ports down there. Power button with the power LED. You got the little clips here to help get this in and out of the rack. These actually feel very, very smooth, very nice, very well done. And of course, you got the two handles again. It's hard to notice on camera, but these handles are actually slightly smaller in diameter than the other 2019 Mac Pro. These will help you get the system in and out of your rack setup there. And now let's take a look at the back. First thing you notice again is this different vent finish from the front, very similar to the previous generation of Mac Pro towers. And then we get into the ports here. You'll actually notice this is mounted horizontally in the system as opposed to vertically. So that's why all the ports are kind of turned on its side. You got the power port here, power plug. Below that, you got the two 10G Ethernet cables, or connectors, I should say. And here you got these ports. These are actually very dependent on the video card you get. We have the Radeon Pro Vega 2 on here. So we got 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports plus the HDMI port, but again, those are entirely dependent on what video card you have. Up at the top here, we have 2 USB-A ports. Above that, we got 2 more Thunderbolt 3 ports and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now we got this on the side. You could take a look and see the 3 pins here built into the chassis for your rail systems. You'll find these pins on both sides of the system. On the front, you can see the locking mechanism there in action. Very solid feeling. And then we got the latch here for the top. You got one on each side. Let's pop these open and take a look on the inside. All right, now we're taking a look at the inside. As you can see, this is literally a copy and paste of the non-rack version. Pretty much all the same internals. You got the CPU heatsink, the I/O board with your SATA and power connectors up here, PCI slots, video card, power supply. You have the 3 fans up front here, keep it nice and cool, but you have a little bit extra room in the front here to help keep it a little bit cooler in its rack-mounted environment. Now you might be asking how you access the memory. We're gonna flip this around and take a look at that right now. All right, now we're taking a look at the other side here. You got this access panel here for the memory. Has these nice solid clips. Let's go ahead and get these off. Comes off very easily. Now, as you can see, this is pretty much identical to the non-rack version of the Mac Pro. All the same components in here. You got a fan hidden underneath the case, and the vent from the van blowing on the 2 SSDs there. You actually got an I/O board here for the front 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Looks like a Wi-Fi antenna wrapped around that as well. You got the speaker system right here, flanked on either side by the memory bays. Now the memory bays are pretty much the same, with the same directions on the back to get your memory modules in there correctly based on how many you have. Now this top cover is a little snug due to the different chassis here. It does take a little finagling to get it out. There we go. Now again, I think this is a pretty neat feature of this case here. Gives you quick and easy access to the memory on the bottom. Very easy for swapping it out. Great feature. Now for the rails with this cool handle. All right, in order to open this up, Apple made it easy with this pretty nifty pull tab. Just get that open. And there it is. Very well packaged inside. Let's pull one of these rails out. These are quite hefty, very heavy duty and heavy. Again, they have these nifty little pull tabs to show you how to open it. That just comes right off. And there you go. Oop, one more right here. It's a little stuck on there, but we got this. Let's go ahead and pop this on the Mac Pro to see how it sits. Now Apple made this easy to determine how these go on. You got the side indicator here for left, right. And then you just got the little pinholes here, you match up to the pins. Once you have it, just nice hard shove. There we go. Now you can see it's in, hinge working. You got the lock on the front here. And there you go. Easily mounted rail system. All right, now we're gonna take a quick look at the accessories here. Pretty much identical to the non-rack version, but let's dive in and see. You got this beautiful braided power cable, very heavy duty. You got the keyboard here with the nice finish, nice black keys there. You got the mouse here with the charging cable. Finish on this mouse, just like the non-rack version of the Mac Pro. But it's very nice, very beautiful. And lastly, we got the instruction manual, legal documents and all that in the information packet here. But the coolest thing in here, if I could find them, are these wonderful stickers. These nice oversized Apple stickers, very beautiful. And that is our unboxing of the 2019 Mac Pro rack. Again, the first rack system since the Xserve. It was a nice surprise that Apple released a rack-mounted version of the Mac Pro. Great addition to the Apple family. If you'd like to find upgrades or accessories for your Mac products, you can check out our website, macsales.com. With that, my name is Brady. Have a good day, everyone.